Hey everyone, in this step-by-step After Effects tutorial, I will show you how to create this kinetic typography animation without using any third-party plugins. This tutorial is designed for the beginners so you can follow along easily with a basic understanding of After Effects. All the required files for this tutorial can be downloaded from the link in the description. Alright, let's roll the intro. Thanks to Envato Elements for supporting this video. Visit Envato Elements and download unlimited After Effects templates, fonts and sound effects. Check the first link in the description. So let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. I am calling it Kinetic Typography. As always, I am using the 1920 by 1080 resolution and a frame rate of 60. Hit OK. Then create a new solid layer and call it the background. Use any color you want. I am keeping this dark blue color. Hit OK. Now create one more composition by clicking on this icon. This time I am calling it text comp. I am dividing the width by 3 as well as keeping the height value around 250. I think I need to change the height of this composition, so press Ctrl or Command plus K on your keyboard and change the height to a different one. Let's keep it around 200 pixels. I think 150 will be fine. Now create one more solid layer and call it the background. I'm using this dark color. Now right click on this layer, go to the layer style and choose stroke. Open the stroke setting and change the color to white or any color you want. Change the size value to around 4. Let's change the position value to inside and this is how it looks now. We have this outline around the background layer. Let's minimize this layer, then go to the tools and select the text tool. Click anywhere on the screen and start typing your text. I'm using the word kinetic. Eject from the typing box and align your text to the center. Perfect. Please note, I'm using the Montserrat font. You can download it from the link in the description. Now go to the main composition and place this text right inside this comp. Align it to the right. Then select it and make a duplicate of it. Align this one to the center. Make one more duplicate and align it to the left. Now select all layers, right click on them and choose pre-compose. I am calling it text compositions and hit OK. Let's go to the effects and the presets and search for the CC cylinder. Place it onto the layer and let's adjust a few settings. First, open rotation and change the X rotation to a different one. Let's keep it around 24 degrees. Then open light and change the light intensity value to 125. We will use this rotation for animating this text. Now change the rotation Z position value to around 90 degrees and the X rotation around -180. Let's rename this layer. I'm calling it text ring 01 and add some animation to it. Make sure you are at the first frame. Then add keyframe on the rotation. Go to the end keyframe position and change the first rotation value to 1. And this is how it looks now. Great. Now select this layer and place it like this. Let's make more duplicate of it and place them right behind this layer. Something like this. I'm making around 5 copies. You are free to use your own style. Now select all layers, press S to open scale. Now one by one, I'm adjusting the scale value by 10%. So the first layer will be 100%, second layer will be 90%, third one will be 80%, fourth 70%, and the last one will be 60%. Align their position and I think this looks fine. Right now I want to add some variation into some of that layer, so select this one, press U to reveal all keyframes, select both keyframes, right click on them, go to the keyframe assistant and select time reverse keyframe. This way it will rotate in reverse order. Let's do the same with this one. Press U to reveal all keyframes, select both keyframes and choose time reverse keyframe. See, this is how they are doing. Now select this layer once again, go to the effects and the presets and search for the invert. Place it onto the layer. Now one thing you should keep in mind, place this invert effect right above the cylinder and it will fix the light issue. Now select this one and use the same technique. We need to adjust some light heights, so select each layer one by one and change the light height value to 60. And this is how it looks now. Align your layer right into the center and now we are done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Until then, good luck and peace.